So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Code Surfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So, in last few videos, we saw about some functions and arrays and all this stuff. Today, we are going to start with a new topic that is the pointers. Now, these pointers are something important when you want to deal with the address of the value. Now it might be sounding like a bit confusing, but we'll make it really clear and easy for you guys. So let's first like just start with very base. So for example, if I'm taking this integer age and I'm assigning its value 10 to this, now age is the variable, 10 is the value for that, and this we all know is the data type integer. Now what does pointer do is that it gives you the address where this 10 is stored. Now, where this 10 is stored by that means is the memory location of 10. So there would be something location name of something 0x2ff10 whatever. So there would be any of the location where these values are stored. So as you know, like if we save something that it stores in the memory location, so this is what pointers are used for. It gives you the location, or I would say the address where the value is being stored. And this thing is used when you're working with dynamic pointers or dynamic values, something like that. So at this time pointers are really useful, or sometimes when you want to use the values indirectly, so that you can use it with the help of this address. You can call the address, and with the help of pointers you can print out the value 10. So we'll look this stuff in the further videos. So let's first understand the concept of this, how is this things work. So if if you all know, like if you want to print 10, we will simply use age and see out whatever it is, and this 10 will be printed. Now what if I want to print this 0 to f whatever is the address? So for that we use this ampersand sign, which is known as address sign as well, because it prints the address. So you just have to simply do C out and these two brackets and ampersand age, and that's it, so that it will give you this answer. There is no need to declare this stuff here, it will directly give you the address. That is why this ampersand is used for. It fetches the address of the value. Now if you want to declare a pointer, there is something different thing that you need to do. That is, you have to initialize with this data type, whichever you are using. So here if we are referring to the age, it would be star for the pointer, and the name of the pointer, here I am putting age ptr, and that's it. This is how you declare a pointer. So the data type, the star, that means the pointer, and the name of the pointer. Now how does this pointer will be initialized? So to initialize the pointer, you simply have to write down the name, not this sign. So there will be age ptr equals to ampersand age. So this would be bit complicated, but don't worry about it. When we'll do hands-on, it will be really clear. So hptr will be having this address age, that is, this thing is now into hptr. So now if I'll print hptr instead of this ampersand age, I will get this same answer, that is 2f whatever it is. But if I'll print star hptr, I'll get this 10 here. So let's quickly review what we are trying to do in this one. I'll just simply put all this stuff up here and grab this pen again. So age equals to 10, and ampersand age equals to 0 to xff10, whatever is the address. Then there is one more pointer age that is declared by ampersand age. Now if we having these three values declared like this, so if I'll printing age, I'll get 10. If I'll print star age ptr, then I also get the 10. If I'm printing just age ptr, I'm getting 0 to xff whatever the address, and same goes for the age 0 to xff. So this is the simplest thing I can teach, but it will be more clear when we'll do the hands-on practice in the next videos. So I'll guess this was all for this video, but in next video we'll do the hands-on. So do subscribe the channel and see you guys in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.